So today I'll be doing a Resonator delete. So a few months ago I installed the Borla exhaust on my car. I think it sounds really amazing, it sounds really good. But after a few months I wanted more noise, so I'll be deleting the Resonator. I know it's gonna give more like a shitty sound, more like a ricey sound. I don't know, I just want more sound. And I didn't want to buy the corksport mid pipe for like, it's like $200 to get it shipped to Canada. It's too expensive. So for like $50 Canadian you can do a Resonator delete. So that's what I'll be doing today. Let's get to it. You can see I got a really shitty setup. I mean, it's safe. So I got 4 jack stands, 2 tons and 2 3 tons, except this one moves. It's weird. I tried everything, so I put my jack instead, and this is just like extra security. Plus I got winter tires with some wood if it drops, because I just don't want to get crushed, especially now I got lowering springs. You'll need a sawzall, any kind. This one I borrowed from a friend because I didn't have one. You need pipe. So for my car, I'm still not sure which pipe size I need, so I bought this one. Obviously it has a curve, so I'll just cut it because I needed a long one. But instead what I did is I bought 2 of the same size, and I can just like connect them together, put a clamp here with some exhaust sealant from GB Weld. So there's the Resonator. It's quite huge, and you need to remove the bolts, like these holder metal like plates on each side. You need to remove those metal plates to get access to cut it with the saw. Okay, so next thing that you want to do, it's with the 12mm socket and wrench. You'll need to take off a bunch of bolts. I'll show you. You'll need to remove this metal piece to get access to the Resonator. So you need to remove this bolt, this bolt, this bolt here that holds the plastic in place. So basically you just need to remove this piece here. I'm not gonna cut close to the Resonator. I'm gonna leave at least like an inch of space between the weld and the other pipe, because if I need to put it back, or I don't like the sound, I can just clip it back, you know, because if I cut too close to the weld, it won't clip right, and I need to get it welded again. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so I just marked with a Sharpie where I wanted to cut. So as you can see, I left plenty of space to reattach the Resonator with a clamp if I want to put it back, and same for here. I'll be putting a clamp here, so if there's enough space. Same goes for here. My cut will be approximately here, so I got enough space to put up a clamp if I want to put the Resonator back on. And yep. Yeah. So what I'm doing is just I'm trying to figure out the placement of the pipes and stuff So here the pipe is gonna go into the old other pipe like that. It's gonna go in. I'll put a clamp, make it tight, and then this one I'll be cutting the little notch here where it changes sizes to keep it at the smaller one. Here it's the bigger, here it's small. So I'm gonna cut this off just like I did here, and this one I'm gonna slide onto the old one like that, put a clamp, and then when this is cut here I can put this one into this one, but first I need to cut the little notch so they can lock themselves up. Okay, so the pipe is installed, a 2 and a 1/4. This one 2 is a 2 on 1/4, and this one is 2 on 1/8, because here the diameter is smaller than here since we have that notch. Here we don't. Yep, so all there's left to do is clean the pipe and put some GB well exhaust sealer, because here it's calling for a major exhaust leak. So what that sealer is gonna prevent it from an exhaust leak. I just did the GB well paste to seal the crack. It's an exhaust sealant. Permatex makes one, GB well and other companies. So on each crack, it's a shitty job, it's not. So I'm done. I just connected all the panels back together.
Damn!